Hey everyone, ever thought your smartphone could totally crush a DSLR camera? Or that the processor inside your phone could be faster than a high-end laptop? If your answer is, no way, that's impossible, then today's news is about to blow your mind. Because today, we're talking about a phone that isn't just a rumor, it feels like something out of a dream. Ready to have your minds blown? Then stay tuned for this video. This phone is packing the world's first 300 megapixel camera, and it's coming from Nokia. That's right, folks, we're talking about the Nokia Infinity Pro 5G. So if you're looking to get your hands on this insane smartphone, make sure you watch this video till the very end. Because today, we're breaking down all the full leaked specs, the price, and the launch date of this beast. Let's dive in. Features of the Nokia Infinity Pro 5G 2026. Display. The 6.85-inch LTPO OLED display on this phone will make you feel like you're sitting in an IMAX theater. With HDR10 Plus support, this screen will make colors pop like they're leaping right out at you. But the real magic here is the 120Hz refresh rate. Every scroll, every game, every animation will be so buttery smooth, it'll feel like you're touching liquid mercury. And on top of that, it's armored with Gorilla Glass armor too. Say goodbye to your fear of scratches and drops. Camera setup. Alright folks, this is where the real revolution begins. The Nokia Infinity Pro 5G is coming with a quad camera setup. But this isn't your average quad camera. You're getting a 300 megapixel DSLR killer main camera. You heard that right, 300 megapixels. This isn't just a number, it's a statement. With OIS support, this camera will take night photos so bright and clear, you'll think they were shot at noon. The detail it captures will go far beyond what your eyes can see. Alongside it, you get a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 32 megapixel macro lens, and a 10 megapixel depth sensor. And for all you selfie kings and queens out there, up front is a whopping 50 megapixel front-facing camera. Every selfie will be studio quality. Performance. Powering this beast is Qualcomm's upcoming flagship processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. This is likely the same processor that hasn't even hit any other phone yet. Just imagine. Heavy gaming, 4K video editing, running dozens of apps at once, and the phone doesn't even break a sweat. This phone will slice through every task like a hot knife through butter. And it's all running on the latest Android 16, meaning you'll get the first taste of future software features. Battery and charging. Imagine a massive 7900 mAh battery. This battery is so powerful, you could easily go 2 to 3 days without even thinking about a charger. And when you do need to power up, it comes with a mind-blowing 125-watt super-fast charger. That means your phone could go from 0 to 100 in the time it takes to grab a cup of coffee. Price and launch date. So, the million-dollar question, what's the price for a dream phone like this? According to reports, Nokia could launch this blockbuster device globally by the middle of next year. And the price? Based on leaks, the starting price could be around $850. What do you guys think? Is the Nokia Infinity Pro 5G the ultimate smartphone killer we've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below.